Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Manual YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to set monthly budget to spend on Google Play. So if you have a certain budget to spend on your phone apps on Google Play, I'm gonna show you how to set it. Just open the Play Store first. And then here, go to your profile by clicking this profile picture here, and then tap on the payments and subscription. And you can see here on the third row there is budget and history. Just click on it. And to set the budget, the monthly budget, you just need to click on this and this set budget. So this budget only applies to your account and you can change it at any time, so you don't have to worry. And you can also see your history spent on Google Play. I'm gonna click on this set budget, and then here you just need to set the amount of the budget that you want to spend monthly or on the Google Play. I'm gonna write 100,000 rupiah, and then you can see that you can choose an amount for your monthly budget, but it won't stop any purchases, but the Google Play will let you know when you get close to this amount. Okay, to save it, you just need to click save button here. Okay, so there you have it. You have set your monthly budget. I think that's all for me. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.